Hi everyone, we can continue exercise 20A. Now we can do question number 3. A cylinder of circumference 8 cm and length 21 cm rolls without sliding for 1/2 seconds at the rate of 9 complete rounds per second. Find first one, the distance travelled by the cylinder in 1/2 seconds, and second one, the area covered by the cylinder in 1/2 seconds. Given the circumference of the cylinder is 8 cm and the length is given as 21 cm. So length we can write it as h. H is equal to 21 cm. So distance travelled in one round. Distance travelled in one round is equal to the circumference of the cylinder. Distance travelled in one round is equal to the circumference of the cylinder. It's known as the circumference of the cylinder. So circumference of the cylinder is given as what? 8 cm. So what will be the distance travelled in one round? It will be 8 cm. Okay. So that we can write. Next, it is given that 9 complete rounds per second. That means the number of rounds completed in 1 second is given as 9 rounds. So number of rounds completed in 1 second is what? Is given as 9 rounds. 9 rounds. So distance travelled in 9 rounds will be what? Number of rounds completed in 1 second is 9 rounds. So what will be? We have 9 rounds is there. So distance travelled in 1 round is 8 cm. So what will be therefore? Distance travelled in 1 round is 8 cm. So what will be for 9 rounds? In 9 rounds is equal to 8 into 9. Okay. 8 into 9, 72 centimeters. Okay. Distance travelled in 9 rounds is 72 centimeter. That means distance travelled, number of rounds completed in 1 second is 9 rounds. Therefore, the distance travelled in 9 rounds is 8 into 9, 72 centimeter. So, what will be the distance travelled in 1 second? Distance travelled in 1 second. Distance travelled in 1 second also will be what? 72 centimeter. Distance travelled in 1 second is equal to, that is 9 rounds. Number of rounds completed in 1 second is 9 rounds. So distance travelled in 9 rounds is what? 72 centimeter. That means time taken is 1 second. That is distance travelled in 1 second will be same as that 9 rounds. No, that will be 72 centimeters. We have time for 1/2 seconds. So what will be the distance travelled? Distance travelled in 1/2 seconds, which is equal to 72 into 1/2. Isn't it? 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9/2, which is equal to 2 and 72 cancel. We will get it as 36. It is 36 into 9, which is equal to 324 centimeter. Okay. So what they asked to find out? Distance travelled by the cylinder in 1/2 seconds is equal to 324 centimeter. That is our first part. Then second part is the area covered by the cylinder in 1/2 seconds. So area covered by the cylinder means what? Area covered in one round. That is known as the curved surface area. Isn't it? So area covered in one round. That means one round means it will be the curved surface area. It is the curved surface area, CSA. So how can we find the CSA? CSA is equal to what? We know the formula. CSA is equal to what? Circumference into curved surface area. That means circumference into the length. Circumference into length we can say. Circumference into length. That means height. Length or height, which is equal to, circumference is given as 8 into height we know it is 21. It is given in the question. So which is equal to 8 into 21. 168. So area covered in one round will be 168 centimeter square. Area covered in one round is given as, we got it as 168. Therefore, what will be the area covered in how many rounds? 9 rounds. Is equal to 168 into 9, which is equal to 1512 centimeter square. Then what we have to find out? Area covered in 4 1/2 seconds. So 9 rounds means how many seconds? 1 second, isn't it? Area covered in 9 rounds is 1512 centimeter square. That means area, instead of that 9 rounds in 1 second, 9 rounds. No. So next step, what we can write? Area covered in, instead of 9 rounds in 1 second. So in 1 second is equal to 1512 centimeter square itself. No. We have to find out the area covered in 4 1/2 seconds. So 1 second is 1512. So area covered in 4 1/2 seconds is equal to 4 1/2 into 1512. That is 9/2 into 1512, which is equal to, then 2 and 1592 we can cancel this. So you will get it as 756. So 9 into 756, which is equal to 6804 centimeter square. That means in your working column you can write, since it is given what, if needed you can write in the working column, given what, 1 second. 1 second, how many rounds are completing? 9 rounds. So that's why instead of 9 rounds we can write in seconds as 1 second. Okay.